Welcome back to another fluid art video. This is episode 4 in my Say No to Blue acrylics. Here is the painting from episode 3. It is completely dry. I do want to say there are a couple areas on this painting. I'll bring you in for a close-up to show you where there was some texture. I don't necessarily know if that's something that got trapped underneath the paint. And then here there was like a little air bubble, but I'll bring you in and show you what that looks like. Other than that, this dried absolutely beautiful, nice and flat. It did take a little work to accomplish this final piece, but I'm really happy with it. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas by Artist Loft. It's a gallery wrapped, which is their level 3 canvases. Should have did this off camera, but hey, you're gonna be here with me while I do this. And one thing I noticed is that it's a little saggy. So I'm gonna pour some water in there. Today I'm gonna be doing an open cup pour. So here is my cup. This is just a 5-ounce cup that I cut in half, and I'm gonna pour the paint right inside. So here are my beautiful colors. I will list all of my colors in the description. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Nice. I'm mainly going for sales. Composition, we can work on that, but the sales is what I'm looking for today. Okay. Now this way, I kind of want to snake and go up that way. Okay. With black. And that I did. Because I got all the cells in this one. A ton of cells. And I am so happy about that. Okay, let me check out the composition, because I sort of want to take more of this off. Cells pop up as it dries. Like in here, I can see some cells underneath. Some in here are growing. There are definitely some along here growing. So there was a nice batch over here, but it was too clunky in that corner and I wanted more negative space. So I like more negative space here, but I'm gonna leave it. And I may actually flip the orientation, but yeah, I was gonna torch it again, but I'm gonna leave it alone. Again, no blue undertones. I did something a little bit different with the terra rossa. So I mixed it with a rose madder, which also has a red, orange, and a little bit of yellow undertone to it as well. It's by Soho. I believe it's a heavy body paint. So I mixed that in with the remaining terra rossa that I had from the last painting. Getting a little worried about my cells, but I feel much better now, and as it's drying, as I'm talking, I see more cells popping up. So I'm gonna do another open cup for episode 5, and I think that'll be it for this series. But let me know in the comments if you can guess my next series. Okay, I'll bring you down. Here it is. So in my previous video, when I was talking about how I needed to work on my recipe and that I missed my cells, well, my cells came through and they said, well, we miss you too. So here we are. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. I'm so happy. I can't wait to see how it dries. And yes, more cells keep popping up. They're little bitty ones, but they're still popping up. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to do another open cup. But I love this one so much. Of course, I love them all, but the colors are absolutely amazing. Okay, thank you for watching.